This demo is for augmented reality using Unity and Wikitude. Augmented reality or AR is very interesting because AR characters can come into your life environment. Unity is a very powerful real-time development platform, for design, for art, for scripting, and for many other creations. Wikitude is easy to use and bring you a AR experience with Unity. The AR characters can be introduced with markers, although markerless is possible. Here Goober comes out alive from its marker. In Austria, Goober is a target of ridicule. Tower is another AR character, basically a piece of weapon, introduced by another marker. Tower and Goober interact in a bizarre way. Please don't worry, they just put on a show. Demo starts. Again, please don't worry, Goober and Tower put on a show. Wow, so many Goobers, one after another, coming out a marker. Tower tries to shoot them, and Goobers pretend falling down. Goobers see home, another AR character, coming out a marker. Goobers change their march direction and rush to home. Thank you for watching.